Accelerate is a program, and it's designed for those students who are a grade level behind. All while those students are catching up, they are earning high school credits as well.
It helped me pass to the grade I'm supposed to be in.
It's helped me to think about my goals.
It helps me find myself.
We have a variety of kids in this program. You get a chance to see the brightest of the brights, or you get a chance to see those kids who are really struggling and need some extra assistance.
When I was selected to Accelerate, I was a little behind. I was a grade behind.
I flunked the 7th grade.
I had decent grades. Miss Reed thought it would be a good idea for me to come here so I can get caught up to the right grade.
We have students who are confident, students who want to shine and excel and want to attend college. We have students here who want to graduate. So I think that's the biggest misconception about the Accelerate program. This program is amazing. The one thing that I love about teaching this program is because they get to see all types of elements from the community. We get to go to college visits. They've gone to junior colleges. They've gone to Texas A&M Commerce, colleges where they're able to get a chance to see what opportunities lie ahead.
It's a fun program. We had a lot of field trips.
Those helped a lot. I know what college I want to go to. I know what I want to do when I get into college. How to keep my GPA score up.
The program is actually a program that's designed not just you see students working on computers, but you actually get to facilitate the learning. Students may be going on self-paced and working on their own pace. However, as the facilitator and teacher, I'm able to go and help them pull small groups if need be. So I think that's the great thing about the teaching element. They just don't have to self-pace and sit behind a computer, but they get the teaching element as well.
When I first started the program, I thought it wasn't going to work because the way that the hours were set up and the way that we had so many classes, we had to do it all one day. But it worked. It really did.
When I was in 7th grade, I didn't have any confidence because I had flunked and I thought I wasn't going to make it, but I'm in the 10th grade now and I'm here.
Looking at the data and what I have now, I can say 95% of my students will be going on to their correct grade level, and when they're at the correct grade level, they've earned multiple high school credits while doing that.
It's a good program and don't take it for granted.
Stay focused.
To work hard and don't get distracted on other stuff people are doing.
Don't be an outcast.
To actually try to accomplish the things they put in their mind and get their all credits so they can be able to pass to the grade they're supposed to be in.
This is the learning environment that I think that you can grow in and learn, excel, and be whatever you want to be. I mean, I'm teaching future leaders, so I think ultimately if they're looking for a program where they can feel comfortable in doing that and have an environment where they make lifelong friends, I think this is the place for them.
I chose my future.
I chose to be successful.
I chose to persevere.
I chose me.
I chose a different path.
We chose Accelerate.